Hugh here from Day Trade Spy. So I talk a lot about this thing called the yellow brick road. This is not anything you're going to find anywhere else, only here. In fact, one of our subscribers coined the phrase yellow brick road because of the way it rolled out. And I thought this is great, and I'm going to give the credit 100% to our subscriber Mahipel, who coined this phrase, and it's just an amazing tool. Folks, what it is, it's simply an extension of a certain chart pattern as we see it rolling out. Once all these indicators are set up and everything is aligned, that's when we install the yellow brick road and sit back and just watch it unfold. Folks, as always, I don't want you to put 100% of your money in anything because, as you know, nothing is 100%. I don't care who you are, okay? There's risk in all trading. It's just really nice to be able to watch it unfold. And I'm going to teach you this and other indicators that we use in our technical analysis workshop. So I really want you to be in on this. Do not miss this workshop. It's very important. I'll see you then.